Everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about aggregation functions within Power BI, specifically the sum, average, min, and max function. But before we do that, I wanna just briefly talk about what DAX is and why it's important. So basically, DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression and is a formula language used in Power BI to create custom calculation for your data. Think of it as a way to manipulate and transform your data to make it more meaningful for analysis. So it's more like a where you can do the calculations, so you can do more. Uh, to say it in simple way to the beginner level, I would say more like you can manipulate your data and do more calculation with it. And okay, so before I'll show it to you more in examples here. Let's just say, okay, so we have some data here, so I'll just show it to you. So I'm just going to put this dates here. Right, so I don't like this hierarchy, so I'm just going to put it in this one, and I'm going to make this date more like a slicer. Just wait for it. Yeah, it's done. So more like a slicer. Yep, slicer happens. Right, so now we got our date. So we got some data here, so I want to put more customer names here. Right, okay, I'm just gonna scroll it down a little bit, put it here, and just find it a little bit. Alright, so we got our customer name. Now, for example, I wanna know, I wanna know the total sales, I wanna know the average, I wanna know the sums and everything. That's where aggregation function comes up. So, these functions are used to summarize and aggregate data within your visuals and tables. In order to access that, in order to do these, to do this calculation, we use measures. So every time you want to do any calculation, you click on the measures. Now, measures, in simple word, if you say what measure is, and measures are used to perform calculation that are not available in your data source, or to create custom calculation that are specific to your analysis. For example, I want to know what the total sales is. So we use total sales. You just click on the total sales, and then it's very easy. All you have to do is just type, because I want to know the sum on this. By the name, we know the sum is basically the sum of the data or the column we have. So we go to sums, and then I want to know the total sales value. So all you type again, and you just scroll down. So you get that's it. You enter again. Right, okay. Right, so here we go. We got our total sales here. All you gotta do is just either you can just drag drop it, or you're just gonna click on it, and it's here you go. It shows the total sales value. But I always advise to you, I always suggest to you that try to make sure your data is clean and is organized, and so that's easy for you to find your data. That's easy for you to do calculation, and in order to, if I want to move this from here to the measures, it's very easy. All you have to do is to click on that. You come to the measure tools, and then you're from home table, you click on the key measures, and wait for it. Yeah, here you go. We got our first measures in here. Now, for example, now we want to know the average of the cells. So to find the average of the cells, all you have to do is click on the new measures. Every time you have to do that. And then I want to rename this. I would be like average cells. Then from the name, we can know average. Press tab, and then we go cells. Tap again. You find all the way total revenue, and then the average of the cells. So we're going to click on that. Here you go, we got the average sales. So now this time I'm just gonna, let's see, it's working. Yeah, just like I said, the second option, you just drag drop it, and then here you go, we got average sales. Right, so now we want to know the minimum sales. So for example, the min is basically used for the min value of a column, so, or the minimum value of the column. So you go with the min sales. So just go to what's the minimum sales of each company we have, or each customer we have. So we go min, you tap again, sales, and then you find a total revenue. Right, it's okay. Right, here you go. We got min. Okay. Oops. We got. I guess we got. Right. Okay. So we got this one. Right, let me just show it to you for, right, we got lost the average, no worries, we can find it back. Okay, so like I said, you click on the measures, and then let me just do it quickly. Average sales, click on to average, tab again, sales, and then you click on the total revenue. Right, so we got it here. As you know, how we could move it back to the, to the measures. I want to put it in measures. Move to the measures now, and all you can just drag drop it. I just like to do it easy because it's just easy to do it. It's time, right? Okay, nope, because we didn't select that. That's why we couldn't. That's right. If we select it again, average sales. Here you go. Now you want now the maximum. You want now how much each customer has spent maximally. How much sale is them for the maximum for the each customer we have. So you click on same as a new measures. You click in here, and you just remove that. So I'll go the max sales. So what's the maximum sales? So you get that max, and then you type. Find your data. You want the sales total revenue. Just wait for it a little bit. Right, so we go to our max sales. Well, I just need to just put it back to the key measures. It's a way for you to. The reason I'm doing this to make sure you know how to do this. If you're at the beginner level, you just you just newly to the Power BI. So that's how you do it. Basically, we find out the total sale by using the sums. We put the minimum sales and then average sales and max sale, and we can just find more data, find a specific date, for example. You see how the numbers have changed here. You see the numbers have changed here, and yeah. So, and that's it for today's video. We talk about DAX and how it's used in Power BI to create custom calculation, as well as the aggregation functions within the Power BI, including sum, average, min, and maximum. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.